Hey guys, hope you're doing well and welcome to hard to believe, but one of the final weeks of this course. This is, I think, including this one, we'll have 3 full weeks left of coursework and then our final exam. So time is getting closer to the end of the course, summer, and for many of you, graduation or moving on to other courses in your discipline. So um, I guess the main thing is to stay focused. I know I might be repetitive a lot, but just please don't fall behind with that paper that is coming up or your project. You wanna keep working on that while you can. I try to make these assignments to the point where you are completing them and learning some really unique things about technology and society, but you're also working towards that final project. So this week basically, you have a discussion forum, and then we're going to dive into Postman, into the text that we're reading together. But I wanted to think about, media. And remember, media is plural. It's not just a one-time thing. And think about the dominant media that is being used for political discourse. As one of you in your discussions last week was talking about the value of TikTok in receiving your news, and that was a learning point for me because I am aware of TikTok, but I'm not a user of TikTok, if you will, and I found it to be very interesting how people are turning to TikTok for a lot of their information, and that's probably the same for political discourse. Political discourse, is kind of how do we have conversations relating to politics? And you say, well, I don't talk about politics, but if you think about or talk about gun rights or abortion rights or rights for all individuals, that's politics. And we really want to look at what areas are used and what are not. And the one question that I ask in this kind of goes back to Postman also is political discourse today primarily provided through entertainment rather than going to Fox News or CNN or wherever it might be. So this is going to be, helpful for us as we're looking at what Postman has to say. And I think we need to look at censorship. There was this recent thing in the news about this young guy, I believe he was 21 years of age, who was found to have information in which he put online in a gaming community. He wanted people to see this top secret classified information. And so we start thinking, well, is that good? Is that bad? What do we say about that? So, we really have to look at how the internet, how social media, and how other things are impacting society, and especially as it relates to politics with everything that's going on. So focus on that, and then reading Postman as well. As always, if I can help you, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I really enjoy reading your work. You are teaching me a lot of valuable information, things I did not know that you are sharing with me. So I appreciate that. So have a great week. Go out there and do something great for somebody. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.